Casey Services is an HVAC company that believes homes should be healthy, energy efficient, and comfortable. That's what we do. But our mission is to do our best every day to restore a sense of craftsmanship, pride, and trust in the workplace and in our community. A place where a person's word is their bond, where the customer's loyalty is more important than a sale, and the pride in a job done right is more important than making an extra buck. Because customer loyalty is what allows our company to thrive, which allows our employees to provide a stable and secure life for their families. You see, trust doesn't happen by accident. It doesn't come from a sales goal or new gimmick or seasonal promotion. A cycle of honest service and loyalty starts when the family is secure and the people are empowered to do what is right by the customer every day. So hire a technician, not a salesman. Hire Casey Services.